Can you even see me over this mound of empties I have here? Hopefully this is all of it. Who knows? I might have more in my room. Hi you guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Hello, I'm Kyla. I make makeup videos, apparently empty videos. I do empty videos once in a while. I haven't done one in quite a while and I have a whole basket of stuff that I have used up that I'm going to talk about. So this is going to be a lot, so let's go ahead and get into it. I have this Bath & Body Works Christmas Cocoa Mint body wash. I saved this for when it became cold out because it just smells like winter to me. It's literally cocoa and mint, so if you like Thin Mints, this is it. I loved how it smelled. So I really enjoyed this. And I love Bath & Body Works' body washes. They lather really nice for me. This one, this Way one, I don't remember liking how this smelled. It smells so fragranced, and I just didn't enjoy that. I don't think it has it. I feel really winded as well. Yeah, it does have fragrance. It's just, it smells so strong. Like, I don't know. And it was really hard to squeeze it out of this super thick bottle. So I definitely like Bath & Body Works better than that one, but I mean, it did the job. Then I have this nail polish remover. I'm pretty sure this is my sister's, and I took it and used it all. But she didn't take it to school, so I feel like it was up for grabs. Yeah, there's like a tiny bit left in there to take off maybe like one more nail, but it's not acetone. It worked decently, not amazing. I forgot! This look, this eye look and lips, not the cheeks base, is going to be coming in next week's video. It's, I think it's next week's video. It's a Pat McGrath eyeshadow palette that I use, so. Alrighty, we also, I wonder if I have this more than one of these in here. Probably way down in the bottom. This is the Pure Skin Face Cleanser from First Aid Beauty. I use this every day, morning and night. I feel like it does have, something in it has vitamin C, I think, but I just have like been rolling with it and praying for the best. So I literally love this stuff. It's, other than, I don't know if I'm going to repurchase it because there's one that I really like that takes off makeup too and doesn't have vitamin C at all. It's the blue bottle. I can't think of Skin Effects. It's amazing, and I really want to get into that one once I use up my First Aid Beauty ones. I also have this Ren sunscreen. It's SPF 30. I remember being really thick. I think it's really thick if I remember correctly, like difficult to spread. It's a mattifying sunscreen too, which is, I'm dry, so that really is not my vibe. This I just used up within the past maybe like 2 weeks. I really freaking love this eye cream, and I did not expect to. The Sunny Riley Autocorrect, it worked amazing. My under eyes did not look dark at all. They looked so bright and luminous and more even, like more well rested. I really want more of this. Yeah, it was awesome. So I really like that. This I really enjoyed too. It's the Pore Balance Facial Sauna Scrub from Ole Henriksen. This like heats up when you use it. But it got kind of watery towards the end. But I really enjoyed using this. I literally cannot get anything else out of it. But I really liked this scrub. And it's a gritty kind of scrub. And it also has AHAs and neem seed oil. But I enjoyed it. I used it like once to twice a week. This face wash, the Checks and Balances, was really frothy. It made my face feel drier than a lot of than my regular one, but it did the job, so I used it all up. This, I really love the Green Clean Makeup Remover from Pharmacy. Like, I scraped that out. I love this. I think I have another one in my bathroom right now that I use. It's just awesome makeup remover. Smells good, feels good. It's great. Takes it off. This I didn't use, but it's brown. Like, I got it like that in gratis, so it's gross. And watermelon, and I can't use watermelon, so into the trash it's going because no, it's old, expired, and gross. I have a mascara, the Mr. Big by Lancome. This, my biggest complaint is that the little stopper gets stuck in there a lot. So like it would like have like massive chunks on my mascara, like on the wand, because it wouldn't scrape it all out because the stopper would get stuck in the cap. I have another one that does that, the Climax Extreme one gets stuck like that. And then it, yeah, like see all the product on the wand? It's because the stopper is stuck up here so it doesn't scrape off. It's so frustrating. Like, I wish I could, like, get it out so I could scrape this freaking wand. Ugh. Anyways, the Milk makeup, I might have 2 of these in here. I keep using this, and it disappoints me so much every time. Is this gonna, oh my gosh, it's the silver part's coming off. Can't get it. Oh, there we go. This just, like, is really dry, even though it doesn't look it right now. It's just old, and it transfers really bad up top, so I just don't vibe with that much, you know? I have another Bath & Body Works cleanser. Oh, this one smells good. It's Mango Mandarin. I need these to go on sale again so I can get more of these body washes. I'm paying $12.50 for a body wash. No. This palette I threw in here because I'm tired of dealing with the mess. The last shade got destroyed, and so it's constantly making a mess everywhere, and I never use it, so I'm getting rid of it. Like, literally, there's eyeshadow residue all over my table now. Okay. Next is a dry shampoo. I liked this. I like the Amika one better, I think it is, but I like this one too. There's a Sephora one that I have that I hate. This isn't bad. It's the Not Your Mother's Clean Freak Refreshing Dry Shampoo. The original scent. It's nice. It worked when I used it. Like, it did the job. So, yeah. I have 2 of these. I was using this, and then it started breaking out my underarms. So I'm thinking about transitioning back because the one I'm using right now just isn't cutting it. It's the Tom's from Maine one. I need to, like, it's the Tom from Maine's one, and it just does not last. And I was using the Arm & Hammer one too, but I just, So I might try to use this one again and see if it breaks out my armpits again. But I really love the scent of this. It's gardenia. I love gardenia. But it just, it broke my underarms out, and I have so many of them. So, I don't know. This I hated. Hated it. I used it, but I hated it. This is the Drunk Elephant Sweet Pity deodorant. It didn't last long, and it comes out of 4 holes, and it's really mushy, and it leaks. It's just, no, I didn't like it at all. I have 2 of these facial radiance pads from Christy Beauty. I don't use these anymore because I found out they have vitamin C in them. Haha, I don't always check the products of it before I use them. I should, but I don't. So, these are really good, though. I definitely recommend them to everyone else, but they break me out. That's part of the problem, so, yes. I have a little baby bum bum cream, wiped and dry. I love how this smells, and Dalton loves how it smells. Who doesn't, though? So, it's awesome. I love that stuff so much. Cannot wait to lather myself in it in the summer when it's warm out. Fresh cream. This is a body wash from Philosophy. Do you guys remember when I used to use purity as my religion? Now that stuff is so dry on me. This is okay. Didn't care for the smell that much. I just like, I don't know, more fruity stuff. Or like, yeah. But I mean, hey, it did the job. So, I'm not complaining. Belief Moisturizing and Firming Eye Cream. This one was okay. It just wasn't eye cream. Provided hydration. I liked it. I like the autocorrect better. And I wiped this dry though. Used it a lot. I have an oil from The Ordinary, the Squalene oil. I really like this, and I bought another one. Like, I'm using my second one now. It's really good, especially for the price. It's like, what, $8, $7.90, something like that before tax and everything. So, it's bomb, and it doesn't break me out because there's no vitamin C. Alrighty, then I have this A+ retinol from Sunday Riley. I have the big one as well that I'm using sometimes. I really like the Drunk Elephant one better, but I have this one, so I've been, like, I haven't used retinol though in a couple weeks. Either way, this Briogeo reparative leave-in conditioning spray I really like. I have a full size of it too that I've used like half of. I like this, especially after I've washed my hair to put it in, and my hair feels so soft and like helps with the waves a lot too. Just be hydrated. I'm looking frizzy right now, but it's fine. I have this perfume. It's empty. I don't think I use this. It's Water Blossom from Ulta. It smells very fake. I'm pretty sure it just leaked everywhere. I have this lipstick from ColourPop because it like broke and it has like white stuff on it. So they sent me a new one and I used that one, not this weird first one. It's Money Moves, but like, can you see like the white stuff on those stars there? So I did not want to use that. I have the Damn Girl mascara. I actually repurchased this. I got this in gratis and I bought another one because I liked it so much. This one's really dry. I got the set that was around the holidays. It was like, I think it was the holidays. January maybe. But you got like the full size and the mini. I'm using the mini right now. No, I don't have it on today. This L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation. It's just like so old that it's so orange on me. It oxidizes really bad, but it's a shade 101. Plus, I just don't use that much anymore. I like the Fresh Wear. It's what I have on today. A lot better. I have this vitamin C eye cream. Hardly did anything for me. It was super lightweight. I like a little bit heavier than this. It's the Context Vitamin C All Day Eye Cream. I think I got it in like BOXYCHARM or something. I mean, it was decent, but I like other ones a lot better. That one was really light. Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Pore Perfecting and Refining Serum. I did like this one. I think it helped with my texture really bad. I think I have this in full size too. I might look and see. Does this have vitamin C? We're gonna look it up. It has mushroom. Yeah, it has cucumber and cranberry and raspberry. Ooh, I don't know how I used that, but it did. This is old as crap. I'm pretty sure I just cleaned this out of my thing. Yeah, it's the NYX Tame Frame Brow Pomade. It is so dried up. Can you see the edges where it's just like out? Ugh, no. I don't use pomades really either for my brows anymore. I like pencils a lot better. This nail polish broke. Like it cracked, so it all leaked out and it's really dry and you can't even untwist it now. It's from Essie. Yeah. 3 eyeliners left and that is it, guys. This is the Maybelline Master Precise Eye Studio black eyeliner. It's just like you have to press down really hard to get, like you can't just use the tip, and I like to just use the tip. So, and then this one, Fenty, I really like, but it's so dry. Maybe if I shake it really good. Oh, I can! Heck yes! Because I really like that. Okay, we're keeping that one. And then this steel one, I have another one that I like opened up. Because it just wasn't, like it does if you press down really hard, but not otherwise. Plus it's super old. And I had backups, so it's fine. I need to wipe this off before it's stuck. Oh, I just made it worse. Okay, cool. That's great. It's fine. So, yes, that is my empties. I want to kind of, what was my favorite in here? Either the eye cream, the makeup remover, or the bum bum cream I really like. So, I really like those. That being said, that's my empties, guys. I'm excited to throw this stuff away because I've been holding on to it. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I feel like I'm missing stuff, but it's okay. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Check out my Instagram. It's at MakeupMySmile. Bye!